We're in this bad boy, hitting the beauty of a leg day. So far, so good. I'm cracked out on 400 milligrams of caffeine. Low key, guys, I got problems. I'm probably at like, I had 2 cups of coffee and then a Bloom. So I'm sitting about like a light 600 milligrams of caffeine. Gonna be all right. It's what, 4 p.m.? That was in the morning, so I'm not tripping too much now. Pre-workout, I got that mother bucker. If you know, you know. 400 milligrams, whole bunch of beta alanine, whatever the hell you wanna call it. I'm a little bit juiced up. Let's do this shit. Woo! I was like 70% of a rep. I'm not gonna count as a full rep because I ain't no beat. Like if I don't get the full rep, I'm not gonna call it a full rep on my program because I wouldn't be lying to anybody but myself. We don't do that shit around here. At least we try not to, you know? We got Ava and Miles in the cut today, so let's see what the hell they got going on. What's that face you just made, bro? Oh yeah.
On your nice ass camera.
No, we got the crew in this bad boy. Yo, bro, taking up all the damn camera room, bro. Oh. All right, look. What we got going on over here, Ava? Let's see what we got. Come on. Let's see what. Oh yeah, that's paperweight for it right here.
Oh yeah, let's get all the angles.
Oh God, huh? That's.
I'll hold the phone right up.
Ah, yeah.
It's like the barbells.
That'd be goated, bro. I think you're ready to go. Let's get this shit. Enough yapping, more moving. Come on. So what am my mother's brick outside, bro?
What am I does, bro?
What am I dead? Yeah, bro. No, you can roll your arms, bro. Hold on. Hijo de su chi. Out of the way. He knows, bro. Hold on. All right, come on, Ava. Let's see what we got going on. Let's go. Give her some back slaps. Yeah. Squeeze everything. Come on. Okay. Hey, yo. That's good. Don't worry about it, yo. That's the name of the game right here, Ava. Don't feel bad. Low key, you can go run it back. Take this 5. Take these 2 5s off. That was good control. No, that's good control. Take these off and go for it again.
Right now?
No, not right now. That was a science-based lift right there, guys. The tempo of the eccentric was maximally optimal for the.
You actually have more time on your tension if you slow down the rep.
Actually, if we're talking optimal, that was the closest thing to optimal right there, guys.
Oh, it didn't go back up.
I think it was actually golden. Like when you run it back, you're gonna see. Yeah, the form was like fucking immaculate. You don't want to like straight drop it, but it also is kind of, it builds a little bit more momentum when you do go a little faster on the way down. And that's like low key.
Was I going too slow?
It's low genuinely good, bro. When you go a little bit faster. But I mean, it like moved real smooth. Smack that all on the floor. Smack that. We're optimizing for hypertrophy right there, at least.
We definitely got some major pectoral.
Play some Cali classics in this bad boy. See how my second working set of these things go. I'm used to the hack squat at Los, but this one's been working wonders too, so I can't complain. See how this shit moves, baby. That was a terrible action. Woo. That's the hell we're here for, ladies and gents. Let me go check in with the young bucks. Come on, young Padawan. Keep going. You got more. Come on. You had 5 more. Look at the hands. Look at that. Man hands right there, baby. High key, she had 5 more to take. I don't know why she's playing herself. I'm like, yeah. We menaces and iron with it, yo, bro. I'm still cracked the hell out. I'm not gonna lie.
The Iron Princess.
Throw the forearms, bro. Throw the forearms. Look at that. God damn, boy.
Not mine, though. Not mine.
Yeah, nah, give it up, bro. Give it up. Yep. I mean, wait. You were using grips or am I tripping? No, bare hands.
Yeah, because I'm not a pussy.
Raw dog. Soft hands.
Damn. You gonna take that, bro? Hey, bro. You gonna take that?
You want to do muscle practice?
Okay, there we go. Yeah, he got up on you right now.
In your camera.
Honestly, a shoulder pump from lat pull downs is crazy.
Every exercise is a lower back exercise if you do it wrong enough.
Bro, hey, Loki, can you spot me? I got one last hack squat. One last hack squat set, bro. Because I'm gonna go to a complete failure. And Loki, I think I want to drop set it too. Ooh, optimal ass lighting right here. We get lucky, we got the pump covers on, ladies and gents. All right. All right. I'm about to lock in, bro. Music up. If I need help, I'll literally say help.
Get a couple.
All right, bet.
Back pump.
Bet. Let me get as much as I can solo, and then when you see that when I'm cooked,
I'll help you get up. Just control that neck.
yeah, hell yeah. All right, bet, let's do it.
3 of those.
Oh, let's do this shit, man. 3 of those. Gotta get the beat drop. Hold on. Ooh, hold on. There it is. Let me lock the fuck in, bro. This is it.
Go. It's working. Come on, push. Push it. Come on. Come on, push.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Come on. Like it.
I touch it. Come on, push. Push.
All right,
I touch it. Come on, let's go. Push. Let's go. Give me 3. Give me 3. Come on. Now, push. Push. There we go. Come on.
2 more.
You got 2. Come on. Push.
Come on. 1 more.
Let's go. I'm ready to catch this up. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh, beautiful. Push. There you go. That's what I love to see, man.
Woo!
I love it. Literally only touched it a little bit in the stop point. That was it. I didn't really touch it like that.
Beauty, man. Good looking.
Love that.
Appreciate you, brother.
That's just funny.
Hell no. Oh, Lord. That took some of my soul with it, bro. All right, bro. I'll catch you out there. That's how we do it, baby. Ooh.